So hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about the Lieberman nitroso test. Listen carefully. So in today's class, we will discuss about the Lieberman nitroso test. So the first point that is very important, which compounds will give this particular test? Listen carefully. Phenol and 2-degree amine. Phenol and 2-degree amine gives Lieberman nitroso test. Lieberman nitroso टेस्ट किस तरीके से मैकेनिज्म डिस्कस करते हैं बेटा, मेरी बात को सुनिएगा ध्यान से। सबसे पहले मैं फिनोल का बात करने जा रहा हूं। लिसन केयरफुली। व्हेन फिनोल is treated with HNO2, that is nitrous acid, then para-indophenol is formed, which is of green or blue color. When this solution is diluted, it becomes red color, and when alkali is added to para-indophenol, then blue color solution gets obtained. Listen, मैकेनिज्म भी डिस्कस करेंगे बेटा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट है, एग्जाम में आता है। ये आपका फिनोल है। फिनोल का रिएक्शन जब करवाया जाता है नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ, कभी कभी नाइट्रस एसिड की बजाय एग्जामिनर लिख सकता है NaNO2 plus HCl. These two compounds on reaction will produce nitrous acid. First, what I will get basically, firstly I will get para-indophenol. What I will get basically? Para-indophenol. This is obviously of green color or blue color, or we can say greenish blue appearance. When alkali is added to it, acid base reaction takes place. This is O minus, N double bond N, sorry, this is N double bond and this is of blue color. जब इसको बेटा डाइल्यूट किया जाता है तो आपके पास जो कलर आता है वो रेड कलर आता है, और बेस डालने पे द एक्चुअल अपीयरेंस ब्लू कलर सॉल्यूशन गेट्स ऑब्टेन्ड। इस रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म क्या है वो आप जानिएगा बेटा। यदि हम मैकेनिज्म का बात करें, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नाइट्रस एसिड, राइट। This is another mole of nitrous acid. Firstly, an acid-base reaction takes place. This OH minus will take that proton. What I will get basically, this is NO2 minus, plus I will get double bond O. This is OH2 positive. Water will get out. What I will get, N double bond O, this is positive charge. This particular electrophile is known as नाइट्रोसोनियम आयन, या फिर इसको आप लोग बेटा जी नाइट्रोसाइलियम आयन भी बोल सकते हैं, राइट. This is a real attacking electrophile for this reaction. Now what happened? Basically, phenol is treated with which HNO2 in the presence of H2SO4, right? In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, right? Listen carefully. So this is the nitrosonium ion, that is the real attacking electrophile for this reaction. This is phenol. I am getting NO plus as a real attacking electrophile. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place, and I will get the major product, that is para-nitrosophenol. Para-nitrosophenol. It will undergo tautomerization. Listen carefully. This is N double bond O. It will undergo tautomerization. What I will get basically, this is double bond O. This is double bond N. This is OH. Now the concentrated H2SO4 is added to it. Yes, this OH will attack on H plus ion. What I will get basically, this is double bond O. This is N. This is OH2 positive, and water will get out from it. Finally, what I will get basically, double bond O, double bond N. This is positive charge. On this particular system, another molecule of phenol will show electrophilic substitution reaction, and again para product will be the major product. What I will get basically, listen carefully, what I will get basically, this is single bond and double bond. This is known as para-indophenol, जिसका अपीयरेंस क्या होता है, ग्रीनिश ब्लू. यदि सॉल्यूशन को डाइल्यूट किया जाता है, इट बिकम्स रेड इन कलर, and when base is added, it shows the blue color, right? So this is the mechanism of this particular reaction. It is known as Lieberman-Nitroso test. For secondary amine, 2-degree amine, it can be aliphatic, या फिर ये बेटा जी एरोमेटिक भी हो सकती है. This is fine to you. Now listen carefully. Secondary amine produce N-nitrosoamine on reaction with HNO2. N-nitrosoamine is yellow oily liquid which is soluble in water. तो बेसिकली एग्जाम में आपसे पूछा जा सकता है सेकेंडरी अमाइन जब लीबरमैन नाइट्रोसो टेस्ट देता है या HNO2 से रिएक्शन करता है, किस कलर का आपके पास लिक्विड मिलता है, दैट इज येलो ऑयली लिक्विड। रिएक्शन का बात करें, सो दिस इज द सेकेंडरी अमाइन आई हैव, when HNO2 is added to it, what I will get basically, this is NCH3 and this is NO, this is N-nitrosoaniline, right? And obviously it is yellow oily liquid. So this is all about your Lieberman nitroso test, which is shown by phenol and secondary amine. फिनोल के केस में आप कलर चेंज याद रखिएगा, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर IIT पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, राइट बेटा। चलिए मिलते हैं बेटा अगली क्लास में, अपना ध्यान रखिए।